Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, in my previous video part 2, we discussed about how to create purchase account, input CGST, input SGST, supplier ledger account, creation of stock group, creation of raw material stock items, units and locations. Okay, but today we will discuss about how to enter purchase voucher, stock journal voucher, creation of manufacturing journal voucher type, creation of finished goods stock item Allen Solly 38 inches trousers stock groups, and manufacturing journal voucher entry. Regarding this today we will discuss. Okay, go to gateway of tally, select vouchers, press enter, select purchase voucher by pressing F9. So this is the purchase transaction. The following raw materials purchased from Vardhaman Textile Limited, CGST at 12%, invoice number 3576 for trousers. So these are the raw materials purchased for the purpose of manufacturing trousers. Trousers means pants. And stored in main location Godown. Go to purchase voucher. So enter invoice number 3576. 3576. Party account name Vardhaman Textile Limited. Purchase ledger, purchase at 12%. Fabric, main location Godown. 350 bail, 80,000 per bail. So next one, thread. So thread, main location Godown, 6,000 packet, 480 per packet. So next one, needle, main location Godown, 1000 packet, 200 rupees per packet. Buttons, main location Godown, 4000 packet, 100 rupees per packet. Zipper, main location Godown, 1000 packet, 2500 per packet. Hook and bar, main location 1000 boxes, 180 per box. Label, main location 1000 roll, 500 per roll. Price tag, main location Godown, 1000 boxes, 200 per box. Last one, lining cloth, main location 2500 meter, 20 rupees per meter. Okay, so all the stock items is over. Press one more enter. Press one more enter. Select input CGST. Select input SGST. So accept. Okay friends, now check the reports. Escape, go to gateway of tally, select display more report, select inventory books, select location, select finishing section, nothing, main location just now we purchased and stored in main location Godown. That's why it is showing the stock position. Okay, so this is the stock position in main location. Storage Godown. So nothing. So storage Godown means so finished product stored in this place. That's why it is called storage Godown. Escape. Go to next voucher. The following trouser raw materials transferred from main location Godown to finishing section. So this is stock journal. Material transferred, enter in stock journal voucher. So go to gateway of tally, select voucher, press enter, press alt F7 or press change, press other voucher. Select stock journal voucher, alt plus F7 or more vouchers, click on that, select stock journal. See, source means from Godown, destination means to Godown. So item name same, quantity is same, rate is same, but in left hand side from Godown, in right hand side to Godown. We need to select. Okay. The following trousers raw material transferred from main location Godown to finishing Godown. First one, fabrics. Select fabrics. Location. First is showing location. That's why you have to use location, main location. So now select quantity, type quantity, rate 350 quantity. So rate 80,000. Next thread, main location 6,000 packet. Needle, main location Godown 1,000 packet. Next buttons, main location 4,000 packet. Next zipper, main location Godown 1,000 packet. Hook and bar, main location Godown 1,000 boxes, 180 per boxes. Label, main location Godown 1,000 roll. Price tag, main location Godown 1,000 box. Lining cloth, main location 2,500, 20 per meter. Okay. Press one more enter. Cursor will move to right hand side. Select same item, fabric. So here you have to select different Godown, destination of Godown. Finishing section 350 bale. Threads, finishing section. So threads 6,000 packet. Needle, finishing section 1,000 packet, 200 per packet. Buttons, finishing section quantity 4,000 packet. Next zipper, finishing section 1,000 packet, 2,500 per packet. Hook and bar, finishing section, hook and bar 1,000, rate 180. Label, finishing section 1,000 roll, 500 per roll. Price tag, finishing section 1200 per box. Lining cloth, finishing section 2500 meter, 20 rupees per meter. Accept. Okay, so now check the stock position in godowns. Escape, go to gateway of tally, select display more reports, select inventory books, select location in finishing section. So just now we transferred from main location godown to finishing section. That's why finishing section stock position is showing like this. Okay, main location nil. Just now we transferred all the raw materials to finishing section. That's why it is showing empty. Storage godown, nothing. Okay, next we move to creation of bill of materials for trousers. Okay, so gateway of tally, select create, go to inventory master, select stock item, name Alan Solly, 38 inches trouser. Friends, before creating stock item, we need to create stock group. Escape, go to gateway of tally, select create, go to inventory master, select stock group. The finishing products in garments, it is called ready garments. Type stock group name ready garments. Ready garments. Under primary, should quantities of items be added, set to yes. Set alter GST details, set to yes. In description type ready garments. Ready garments. HSN code 6103. Suppose you don't know HSN code, go through internet, type HSN code for ready garments, then it will show the HSN code. Okay. Taxability, select taxable, type 12% integrated tax. Accept. So now create the stock item. Escape, select stock item, create finished goods, name Alan Solly, 38 inches trousers. Under ready garments, select pieces. Friends, set components BOM. Suppose when you are going to practicing, then suppose it will not appear, you do one thing, press F12 configuration. F12 configuration and select this one. Set component list, bill of material in stock item. It is showing no, then you set it yes. Okay, I have already enabled this, that's why it is showing yes. Accept. Now set to yes. So now create the BOM. BOM means bill of material. BOM name is standard. Unit of manufacture. Suppose, not suppose, they are going to manufacture 1 lakh trousers. Type 1 lakh pieces. So these are the raw materials provided to manufacture 1 lakh trousers. Okay. Select buttons. Finishing section 4000 packet. Fabric 350 bale. Hook and bar 1000 box. Label 1000 roll. Lining cloth 2500 meter. Needle 1000 packet. Location you have to select finishing godown. Okay, finishing section. Needle woven. Packing material. So this is not related to trousers. Select price tag. Select finishing section. So stock is 1000 box. 1000 box. price tag. Threads 6000 packets. Last one, zipper 1000 packet. Accept. Okay friends, now we set bill of material details for stock item Allen Solly 38 inches trouser. Okay friends, now very important, we need to create manufacturing journal voucher type. Escape, go to accounting master, select voucher type. So this is the voucher type. Press enter. Type manufacturing journal. Select type of voucher. Select stock journal in the list of voucher type. Select stock journal. So enable this. Use as a manufacturing journal. Use as a manufacturing journal. Set to yes. Accept. Okay. So now we move to vouchers. Press Alt F7. Select manufacturing journal. Press enter. Name of product. Just now we created finished goods name. Allen Solly 38 inches trouser. Select that one. Name of BOM standard. By default it will be selected. Location, finishing, section, quantity, type 1 lakh pieces. Enter, 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 enter. Come to the right hand side by pressing enter button. So here any scrap or co-product pending. So here nothing pending, scrap or co-product. So next move to additional cost. So additional expenses. Friends, in manufacturing organization, they will calculate additional cost on the basis of percentage. Okay. For your reference, I given one list. Percentage basis. I given the expenses list on percentage basis. You have to type and select and type percentage here. So first one, labor charges 0.02%. Labor charges 0.02%. So 6,982. So on the total cost of the material. So total effective cost of the material, on that total it will calculate 0.02%. That result is 6,982. Okay. Next, freight charges. Freight charges 0.25%. So next, rent. So rent is 2.5%. Electricity charges. Electricity charges 0.5%. Generator maintenance charges 0.5%. Transport charges 0.75%. Water charges 1%. Lunch expenses 0.2%. Stationery charges 0.10%. Security service charges 0.40%. Housekeeping service charges 0.20%. Repairs and maintenance charges repairs and maintenance charges 0.25%, telephone charges 0.10%, insurance charges 0.15%, salary 4%, Ayuda Puja expenses, that is 0.5%. Finish. All the expenses is over. See friends, effective rate of primary item 388 rupees 97 paise per pieces. This is the actual cost of production on Allen Solly 38 inches trouser value. Okay. So this is the original cost of production including all expenses. For this amount you can add profit amount and then you can sell the product. So like this you have to enter the manufacturing journal. Okay, accept it. Now check the reports, display more reports, inventory books, select location, see here finishing. So here ready garments is showing 1 lakh pieces, but raw materials, so all raw material has gone because we are already manufactured, we consumed all the raw materials, so that's why it is showing in the name of finished goods, that is Allen Solly 38 inches trouser. So now in finishing Gordon, Allen Solly 38 trousers stock position is 1 lakh pieces. Okay. Now you transfer this storage Gordon. Okay. Escape, go to gateway of tally, select voucher, press Alt F7, select stock journal, select normal stock journal, not manufacturing journal. So here select Allen Solly 38 inches trouser, finishing section, 1 lakh pieces, 388.97 per pieces. Press one more enter, select Allen Solly 38 inches. So destination of Gordon, storage Gordon, 1 lakh pieces, accept. Okay, so like this, after finishing you have to transfer that finished goods to storage Gordon. So now check the stock position in Gordons, display more reports, select inventory books, select location, select finishing good, finishing section nil. In finishing section nil, just now we transferred all the finished goods to storage Gordon. Check it in main location Gordon, nil. Check it in storage Gordon. So 1 lakh pieces, Allen Solly 38 inches trouser stock position is showing in storage Gordon. Okay friends, in my next video we will discuss about how to manufacture Allen Solly 40 inches shirts. So regarding this we will discuss in my next video. Please wait and see. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.